Hi, in this video we're going to see how to correct any errors in the relationship to head of household column of the LSA data quality correction spreadsheet. This is the case when we have clients highlighted in green, which means that the information is missing, or when we have clients highlighted in purple, which means that we need to correct the information. This could be because either we have more than one head of household for the project enrollment, or we don't have any member selected as the head of household. So let's see this with an example. Let's suppose we have Bart Simpson highlighted in the relationship to head of household column in the spreadsheet. So the first thing we need to do is open his profile. And then we need to go to his programs page. And once we're here, we need to open the project enrollment in which he is highlighted. So let's suppose it's the elementary school project. Okay, so once we're here, where exactly do we need to go in order to do this correction? Where is the field? So the thing is that in this case, Bart has already been exited from the project. So that field is not visible. So in order to make it visible, we need to reactivate his project enrollment. So, and to do that, we need to click the Exit tab. Then we need to delete the project exit date. And after doing this, we can see that there's an edit icon next to Bart Simpson's name. So if you notice, this edit icon wasn't before when he was exited from the project, and that is the reason why we needed to reactivate him. Okay, so now we click the edit icon, and here is where we can complete, when we can review or we can change the relationship of head of household of all the members that are with him in this group enrollment. So let's suppose, for example, Homer needs to be the head of household. Marge doesn't have any relationship to head of household, so that is an error. So we need to select her as the head of household spouse. Then Lisa, we need to select the head of household child. And for Bart, we can also select head of household child. So finally, we can review for every single member. So Bart, it's okay. Homer is okay. Marge, okay. Lisa, okay. And then we save changes. So once we have done that, the last step is to re-exit the client. So we do that by just entering the project exit date, which is the one that we just deleted a few minutes ago. And then save changes. And voila, that's it. That's how we corrected the relationship of head of household of all the members of the Simpson household. Before finalizing the video, I would like to remind you of the most important things that you need to consider while doing these corrections. So first, there should be one and only one head of household for each group enrollment. Second, every single member of the group enrollment should have a relationship to head of household entered. And third, please notice that what we need to review is the program group household, so which is specific to each project enrollment. So please ignore any information of the global household that we have in the profile screen. What really matters in this case is the program household, which is specific to each project enrollment. And finally, in case we don't have the edit icon visible, it's because the client has already been exited and we just make it visible by reactivating the head of household. It is not necessarily for you to reactivate all the members of the household. It is just enough to reactivate just the head of household. And that's it. That's the most important things that you need to consider. And if you have any other questions, please submit the tickets with the help desk. Thank you.